We
Mad scientists in there.
we're at what is it called? The Settlers Trail.
Yeah, Settlers Trail at Beerburrum.
Beerburrum. I just saw it on the guy on the YouTube, and this is the view we got. Is that Tibrogargan, isn't it?
Yes. Tibrogargan.
Yeah, the big gorilla. So there's the silverback gorilla, right?
Yeah.
And here's the other silverback gorilla. These would be macadamia trees, wouldn't they?
Yeah. What's your fence?
Hey?
What's your fence right in front of you?
You bastard.
I knew you were.
I'm looking at the screen, I'm going, you bastard. It's freaking funny, mate. Righto, I've got no idea where this is going to end up. We've come from the track height down the bottom. We're up to the Jack Ferris lookout, 100 metres. Let's go. There you go. Oh, thanks, Ned. They're not bad. Oh, there's calandra over there too. I'm at Mount Beerwah now.
Yeah.
But the other side.
Closed for a while there.
But the other side, eh?
Yeah.
Gee, that is incredible. Look, you've got the Blackall Ranges in the background. And look at that volcanic mountain, will you? Wow.
You get up to.
There's Nev's new bike, the Trek. Disc brakes, adjustable shockies, better tyres, large frame. Yeah. Yeah.
Stayed with him. Two motorbike riders found him the next day. Okay.
So we wonder what the noise was.
Yeah.
So there's a bobcat, and then his little picnic area, water tanks. So that's where we're going.
So we're going to Mount Tibrogargan.
Yeah. Yep, okay. Righto.
We were down there somewhere.
We are there, and we were up there. Oh, there we go. Right, now, here, have a look. We're here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Hey?
Mount Tibrogargan.
Yeah. Wow. Tibrogargan Circuit 3.3. It's got no push bikes or anything.
No, you can't. No. You'd be carrying the bike the whole most of the way.
But I mean, you couldn't even ride up there anyway, could you? The back of the gorilla, so this is where we've got to come.
Yeah.
Mountain view lookout 340 metres. Tibrogargan 3.3.
Yeah.
Here's Tibrogargan. Let's have a look, see if we can see him.
Speed gate shoes on for that day.
There's the track.
And we sell them ones.
We're in the middle of nowhere. Now there's people everywhere and we can't ride on the tracks. You can see that's the track. It's pretty steep, isn't it, Nev?
It is, yeah.
All the way to the top. That's right. Yeah. And you're what sort of? Are you a dog? Are you a junkyard dog?
Yeah.
Are you a junkyard dog?
Yeah.
Yeah, no domestic animals. So Nev, sorry mate, you'll have to wait here. macadamia farm and come to the end of the road,
We're busy on that side, don't we?
but the sign says stop. Circle Tibrogargan there, and we started over.
Yeah, because there's a side cliff there.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
And we went all the way around the bottom.
Yeah.
And there, those twins there. Because Woodford's just down there, isn't it, in that valley?
Oh, yeah.
You can even see Morton Island over there and all the sand dunes, look. Way across. Circle Tibrogargan there, and we started over.
Yeah, because there's a side cliff there.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
And we went all the way around the bottom.
Yeah.
And there, those twins there. Because Woodford's just down there, isn't it, in that valley?
Oh, yeah.
You can even see Morton Island over there and all the sand dunes, look. Way across.